We are doing geometry of straight lines, and today we'll be talking about types of angles. To get us started off, we're going to talk about adjacent angles. Hi, Tisungani. Tisungani. Nice. Okay, I already see a mistake in this. It's not a common side, it's a common vertex. And speaking of which, what is a vertex? What is a vertex? Our family is growing, guys. Abu Khan says it's a point, a corner. Okay. The point where two arms meet, okay. And other people will describe it as a corner. It's okay, we understand what you mean. So adjacent angles are angles that share a common vertex, a common arm, and they lay on either side of the arm. Okay, so out of the sketch I have over here, okay, I have a bunch of angles. I need you guys to tell me which angles are adjacent to one another. We have angles here, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's hear which one. Okay, Kwezi already has an answer for us. Okay, let me write that. Adjacent angles. Okay, 1 and 2. Remember, only 2 angles can be adjacent, really, but I get what you guys mean. 1 and 2, 2 and 3. Because check here, guys, they share one arm. 1 and 2 share the yellow one, right? And 2 and 3 share the blue one. Why is 4 not adjacent? Can anyone tell me why is 4 not adjacent to anything? What is it missing? Remember, we have to meet all of these 3 properties: common vertex, common arm, either side of the arm. What is 4 missing? Why can't it be adjacent to angle 3? It's missing a common arm, not really. Look here, they have a common arm. Here's the common arm between 3 and 4. You're really close though. There we go, the common vertex. Guys, let's look where the vertex for 4 is. It's all the way up there. Is it the same as a vertex for 3 or 2 or 1? No. Doesn't share a vertex. So 4 cannot be adjacent to any of those. So the only thing I can tell you or remind you of is you have to meet all of these criteria. Okay, it can't only share an arm or only share a vertex. It has to meet all 3 criteria, and then we'll call them adjacent angles. Okay. Vuyani's hand has been up. Vuyani? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
There we
ma'am.
go. Hi, Vuyani, do you have a question?
No, ma'am. I don't know how
Oh.
to remove the N.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. So I don't think I've said anything really hectic so far. So let's move on. Okay, complementary angles and supplementary angles. I know my learners always mix these 2 up. Okay, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Are we with me? And supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Write this down and remember it. Okay, so if I ask you, what is the complement? Complete English. Complement, there we go. What is the complement of 30 degrees? What will you say, and how did you know to get to that answer? Thank you. 60. How did we know that the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees? Thank you, Abu. Oh, beautiful, guys. Because they add up to 90 degrees. So the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees because they add up to, it's okay, Hannah, Havana. Of course, I said Hannah. My best friend's name is Hannah. So it makes sense. Okay. They add up to 90 degrees. So they are complements of each other. Okay, so don't get confused. If I'm asking you for a compliment, I'm not asking you what 30 said about 60. That was nice. No, I want to know what do you add to 30 to get to 90? In the same way with supplementary angles, let me move down a bit. In the same way, if I say, what is the supplement of 110 degrees? What would you say? What do we say? Wow, Abuka. Oh my goodness. Hectic. Kwezi 70 is doing my gear there. I don't know what's going on. It's cute though. That would be 70 degrees because they add up to 180. You guys are getting this so well. So well, guys. I love it. Okay. Let me add one more concept and then I'm taking questions. Now we've reached the point where we're going to start learning reasons. Okay. So today I don't have a nice sheet with summarized reasons for us, but I will have it in the next lesson. I already made a note. Ooh, Havana, who is it? Who is it? It's fine. That person is coming for you. I'm going to give them a very special question that I reserved at the end of the lesson. Yeah. I'm kidding. Okay. Actually, am I? We'll find out. So angles around a point. So we have a point, a vertex. Angles around always add up to 360 degrees. So if you take these angles that are here, 65 plus 105 plus 55 plus 135, they all add up to 100. Of course, I'm going to say 100. 360. I said 100 with confidence because I'm looking at it. Okay, so they add up to 360 degrees. Let us practice that concept. Okay, we want X. Well, I want you guys to tell me what X is. I want you guys to tell me what X is. Yes, Palesa. There we go.
Ma'am, I'd like to try it with you, ma'am.
Let's do it.
So, ma'am, we're going to say 360 degrees equals 151 plus 64 plus X. Then, ma'am, we're going to add 151 plus 64, which gives us 212. So we're going to say 360 minus 212 equals X. Then, ma'am, we're going to say 360 minus 215. Therefore, X is equals to 145. I don't know if I'm right.
Very important, Palesa.
The reasoning, ma'am.
Look carefully.
Oh, ma'am, the 90 degrees.
Yes. So it's all of this plus 90.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do it properly. So we have to add,
which will give us 305 plus X.
Plus X. And then
we're going to say 360 minus 305. Therefore, X is equal to 55 degrees.
Beautiful, Palesa. I love it. I love it. Oh, reason, Palesa. Reason. We always have reasons.
Oh, angles around a point.
Beautiful. Angles around a point. And that's all our marks secured. Okay, guys, that was beautiful. Thanks, Palisa.
Welcome, ma'am.
That was beautiful. So, guys, you guys get the point, right? Angles around a point is the reason. Remember, anything you do in geometry, you need to tell us what you were doing. We were actually supposed to say that in the beginning with the first step. Okay, be like 360 equals this times this plus this plus this. No idea, Abu Khan, I can't help you. Okay, and then you have to give me a reason for what you are doing, because there's many ways to do these sums. I need to know what you are doing. Beautiful, Palisa. That was a great start. Andrea, you press PRTSC, but now when I look down at my own laptop, I don't see that. So I don't know. Let's just hope your laptop has that button, okay? And then you go onto any Word document and you just paste. Okay, wonderful. Now, let me check in. Complementary, supplementary, angles around a point, adjacent angles, thumbs up, thumbs down. Complementary, supplementary, angles around a point, and adjacent angles. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, I don't see thumbs down so far. Wonderful. Don't be shy. Remember, we're here to learn. So if I said something and you're not quite, then just ask me and we will help you out. Non-tobacco, there we go. Yes, it is, Quizzy. This is geometry. Non-tobacco, do you want to raise your hand so I can help you? I see your thumbs down. There we go. Hello, non-tobacco.
Hi, ma'am.
Where did I lose you, my dear?
Ma'am, I was 12 minutes late, so I missed out supplementary and others. But then I was thinking that I'll look at this video after this lesson.
Yes.
So,
Okay, they're very easy to get. Complementary means they add up to 90. Supplementary means they add up to 180. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
but you can watch the video before you do the quiz. You feel better. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
welcome. Okay. Now let us go to angles, adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay. This time, if going around a point adds up to 360 degrees, then just going in a straight line has to add up to 180 degrees. So if they are adjacent, do you see now our I almost said complements, our our concepts are starting to merge with each other. We just learned about adjacent. Okay, so look at the angles that we have below here. Let's check them. We have a 55 and a 125 that are next to each other. They share a vertex, check. That's the first one. They share an arm, check. And they are on either side of the arm. So they are adjacent with one another. Okay, if you add these up, they have to add to 180 degrees. And your reason, depending on your school and your teacher, will be adjacent angles on a straight line or just angles on a straight line. I know a lot of teachers are very finicky and picky about saying adjacent, and I'm one of them. Okay. So if your teacher doesn't mind you just saying angles on a straight line, that's fine. But let's try and get into the habit of saying adjacent angles on a straight line because they have to be next to each other. They have to be next to each other, Abu. I'll show you at the end of the lesson why I want you to say adjacent. Okay, now let's check this here. I want X. How am I going to work it out? Anya's hand has been going up. Hey, Anya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening.
I would like to ask a question.
Okay, sure.
So, for example, let's say you've been given your graph, but you haven't been given like your angles. How do you get your answers?
question is, you haven't been given a diagram, but you want to find the angles. Was that correct?
Yes.
So you'll always have to be given a diagram. And within the diagram that we give you, they'll always have to give you some sort of angle that has like a numeric value to it for you to be able to calculate anything. For example, when we're using adjacent angles on a straight line, you have to know one of the two angles to be able to calculate the missing one. So you'll always be given a diagram, and if not a diagram, then they'll tell you the angle, the size of the angle. Does that make sense?
Yes, thank you.
Wants to work with me? Okay, let's check. Emmanuel. Yes, Emmanuel.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, ma'am. So we're gonna say 90 degrees plus 29 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. And the reason would be adjacent angles on a straight line.
Beautiful. And then what?
X equals 180 minus 119, ma'am, because we added 90 plus 29, ma'am.
Okay, so x is 180 minus 119. So how much is x? Therefore,
61.
thank you very much, Emmanuel. That was so flawless.
No problem.
Absolutely flawless. I love it. Okay, makes sense. I think so. I think I have another one for us to do over here. Yes, I do. Of course I do. So the question for this one would be solve for x. So let's see. Kwezi. Kwezi? Hello? Okay, Inako. Nope. Okay, Fatima. Yes.
Hi,
Inako.
ma'am.
Hello. Oh, it's Fatima. Hi, Fatima.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
You want to do this one with
How are
me?
you, ma'am? No, ma'am. I'm actually asking about the first one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
let's hear.
so like the first part where you what do they call this? You get the reason, I understand. But do you plus the numbers, then it will give you. Now, ma'am, it's confusing.
Yeah, so there's a step missing here actually. So it will be x plus 119 degrees is 180 degrees because we add 29 and 90.
Oh,
Then we take the 119 over, then we'll be at this step. Do you see?
yes, ma'am.
There we go.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, Fatima has asked. Let's hear Natasha. Yes, Natasha?
Hi, ma'am. I was wondering if I could do the second one because it looks confusing, and I think maybe if I could do it with a little bit of maybe I'd understand it better.
There we go. Let's do it. I love the attitude. Oh, okay. Let's do it.
So is it going to be x plus 30 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus 10?
Sorry, I was writing the wrong thing just now. 40, yes, plus 2x plus 10.
And then if we add the like terms, we have 4x is equals to.
Okay, we forgot step one. What is it?
Sorry, equals to 180 degrees, sorry.
There we go. Okay. So 4x
and the
is
reason, okay, no problem.
equals.
So x is equals to 30 plus 40 plus 10 is equals to 180 degrees minus 180 degrees.
180.
Sorry, 80 degrees, my bad, sorry.
There you go. There you go. What was our reason?
Angles, no, adjacent angles on a straight line.
Beautiful. Adjacent angles on a straight.
On a straight
line.
line.
Here we go. Let's continue.
Yeah. And then 4x is equals to 100.
Mm-hmm.
And then we are going to divide 100 by 4 and 4. Same thing. And then x is going to be equal to 25.
Beautiful. So you knew how to do this.
I was just hoping it's the right thing.
And it is. So you know how to do it. Doesn't that feel fabulous?
It does.
Wonderful. Thank you, Natasha, for doing that with me. That was beautiful. Okay. Okay, guys. I think we all have adjacent lines on a straight. Adjacent lines. You guys can agree that my brain is a little bit tired. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Not adjacent lines. Okay. Let's see. Now we have when two lines intersect, the opposite angles are equal. Who knows the reason we use for this? If I'm going to use this, what reason do I use? Chief, what's up? Vert op angles, and that is correct. Narisha, today we are pushing no brain break. I'm kidding. Yay! Just not going to say that, and I'm going to have 500 messages. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. And I see a lot of you already know the abbreviation. Vert op angles. Okay, will do, have an I will go. Okay. Abu, Abu, are you okay? Are you okay? I love it. I was finding maths in real life, guys. It's finding maths in real life. Okay, now let's see. So it says if you have two straight lines, we do have two straight lines. Maybe I should name them. Okay. I'm going to call this one AB and this one CD. Okay. So we have two straight lines. The angles that face each other, i.e., A and C will be equal, and B and D will be equal. So in this specific sketch, A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Okay. Do we understand what I'm saying? Chief's hand is up. I remember Chief had a question. Yes, Chief.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I wanted to ask a question about the previous one, ma'am.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
I wanted to ask, where did you get the 80 degrees?
Oh, we added. Remember in the previous step, we had x plus 30 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus 10. So we added x plus 2x. How much does that give you?
4x.
4x. And then 40 plus 30 is how much?
70
Plus 10.
is 80.
And then remember the 80 was on the left. So if it's positive
Yeah.
80, if it goes over, it becomes?
Negative.
There we go. Do you see where we got it?
Oh, okay. Yes, I see now.
Wonderful.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Inako, do you still want me to redo it? We added the three adjacent angles and made them equal to 180. So we added x plus 30, x plus 40, 2x plus 10, because they're all on a straight line. Okay. Sanele, do you have a question? Nope, Sanele's gone. Tato, do you have a question?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can I ask where did we get the 4x from?
What's x plus 2x? We added like terms.
Okay, thank you.
There's an X there. There's an X there. There's a 2X there. So we added them.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Kwezi, question?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I don't necessarily have a question, but like, can I do the next sum with you?
Okay, Kwezi, let's go see this one. Kwezi.
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. This one.
Oh, okay. So you're going to add m plus 58 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 62 degrees equals to 360 degrees.
Ooh, but
Reason.
Kwezi, look here. We still have two angles that we don't know.
You.
Let's see if they can help you in the chat. Nobody. Dum, dum, dum. Anyone have an idea for us, guys? Okay, Emmanuel sent an idea. And Balisa has an idea. Kwezi, do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So I know it is very hard to see, but here are straight lines. Look at P and S, it's a straight line. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at TR, straight line. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, this whole angle has to be vertically opposite to that whole angle. Do we see?
Yes, ma'am.
So then 50 plus 62 equals what?
Wait. 112.
Okay, but it's going to equal what? Because they're vertically opposite.
What do you mean, ma'am?
Look on the sketch. We said vertically opposite angles are what?
Or equal.
Equal. So then this angle, which is 50 plus 62, is equal to this angle, which is
M plus 58 degrees.
There we go. Then you said 50 plus 62 is?
112.
There we go. Our reason is they are vertically opposite angles. So then 112 is equal to M plus 58. Let's take 58 over. So M is equal to 112 minus 58. How much is that, Kwezi?
54.
There we go. Do you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Okay, I think our brains deserve a break. I don't know about you guys. Balisa, you are first up for the brain break. M or X? Oh, it's M. It is M. We definitely deserve a brain break. Nobody saw that. M. I'm so used to saying X after I say therefore. Therefore, X. Ew. Hectic. Hectic. Okay, let's have a brain break. Balisa, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Balisa, tell us, would you rather never shower again or never cut your nails again?
Ew. Ma'am, I'm a nail biter. I'll never.
You're not allowed to bite it again. You must just let them grow.
That is so impossible because when I'm stressed, I literally bite my nails, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
So, ma'am, I'll choose nails.
So you'd never shower again?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
I can't believe it. I'm shook. As Balisa. Wow. Okay, let's see what Kakela has to say. Kakela?
Hi, ma'am.
Here's your question. Would you rather be able to control the time or the weather?
Oh, ma'am, I'd rather be able to control the weather.
It's only because you guys are cold. You know, if it was summer, everyone would be like tired. But now people are cold. It's having you guys. Guys, you don't want to pause time and do what you need to do. Come on, guys.
No.
Imagine. Homework. You could have 12 hours to do your homework. Imagine.
But what if it's snowing?
Yeah. You guys hate being cold, and I love it. It's killing me. It's finishing me, actually. Okay, I get it. It's fine. Okay, let's see, Sia. Hello, Sia.
Hello, ma'am.
Sia, would you rather be locked in a room with a lot of bees or a friendly tiger?
Friendly tiger.
Thank you very much. That's what I chose. That is what I chose. Because why must I be in a room with bees? Nope.
You're gonna be tiger food either way.
Yeah, but rather tiger food than be stung and sit there and let the venom of the bees kill me slowly. I'll
It's
just
just
friendly.
like a friendly tiger, so we won't have to worry about it eating us.
Yeah, I'd always choose a friendly tiger, guys. No one chose bees. Did you see that? In another class, someone was like, well, with the price of honey these days, I'll take the bees. Wow. Tando?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Tando. Are you ready for your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Would you rather eat a dead spider or a live worm?
I would rather eat a dead spider.
Thank you. This thing of a worm, I don't understand it, guys. I didn't.
Worms are disgusting.
Thing of a worm is, I can't, guys. It's gonna move and What if it moves back up? What if you didn't swallow properly? And it's like, nah, back out. I'm escaping, guys. Woo!
Yes, ma'am.
It says it's like spaghetti. I actually can't. Nope. You guys. Woo. Like I get shocked as if I didn't do these questions. Yes, I mean, Rachel is laughing that I'm saying the worm is escaping. I am escaping. I'm going out. I'm not gonna do this. Yes, Lerato. The worm will come back out. You'll be like, not today, my girl. I'm leaving today. I'm leaving today. Okay, so that's the end of our brain break. Everyone have a stretch. Ouch. Oh, did you guys hear that? My joint was like, "Pah." Oh, okay. Oh, some worms can live in your stomach, guys. Bye, brain break, says Abu. Bye, brain break. Whee! And I'm gonna spice up your lives a little bit. Let me spice up your lives a little bit. Okay, not yet. This is just a nice summary, guys. Yes, already. I see you. Tandole too?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I wanted to ask, the question we did before with the, how can I say, the one with we need to solve for n. Ma'am, how do you don't you have to do the one between RS and P something, PZ, I think.
Let's see. RS. No, we don't have to. We just wanted to solve for M.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
All right. You're welcome. Okay. Guys, of course I am. You guys. Imagine. Must deal with kids morning, afternoon, must spend. Okay, I hope you guys have taken a screenshot. I'm giving you guys a few seconds. Few more seconds, and then we're gonna do some interesting stuff. And I'm so excited. You guys are so silly. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, that's too easy for you guys. Let us do this guy. We have some time. Let's do this. Let's do this. And I'm not. After this, guys, it's work again. Okay, I want A, B, C, and D. Let's not freak out. It's like we have C. Let's not freak out. Okay, I see hands up. Kwezi.
So ma'am, for A, it will be 88 degrees, reason being vert opposite angles.
Vert of angles. Okay, thank you. A equals 88 degrees.
Can I do
Vert.
B, ma'am?
Able.
B is equal to 62 degrees. Reason is vert op angles.
Vert of angles. Okay.
For D, no, let me try C.
C.
C will be it will be 30 degrees. Okay, C plus 88 degrees plus 62 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Reason is adjacent angles on a straight line. And then therefore C is equal to 180 minus 62 minus 88.
Minus 88. Therefore, C is, I almost wrote X. Guys, what's going on? Every time I write therefore, C is how much?
It's 30 degrees, ma'am.
30 degrees. Are we done? No, we're not. Last one.
And then D is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, the reason is vert opposite angles.
Vert op angles. Beautiful. Thank you very much,
Thank
Melissa.
you, ma'am.
So beautiful. I know Emmanuel is like a look in the chat, guys. Guys, I like it. You guys came to the party. You guys came to the party. Fatima, I see your hand is up.
Ma'am, I do not understand.
Where did we lose you?
Understand, ma'am, how, like, how
Okay,
do you know A is equals to 88?
Look at A. But that's why we have reasons. Look at A. There's A, right?
Or
Right.
vertical opposite. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Okay, you're good with A.
Yes, ma'am, please explain the whole sum.
No, but you know what, Fatima? You said A is vertically opposite to 88, right? B is vertically opposite to what?
62.
C, so B is the same as 62. And then, Anya,
ma'am,
how did? Of course, I'm going to say Anya when I mean Fatima.
How do you calculate it, ma'am? The same way that we did that one.
You don't calculate anything. You just say A is 88 because it's opposite 88. That's basically what you're saying. You get it?
Oh, yes. In terms of this
And then
one.
This line. Do you see the straight line we used? There.
Yes.
So these three have to equal what?
Have to equal 180.
There we go. Do you see where this step comes from? So
Ma'am.
C plus 88 plus 62 is 180. Why are they 180?
Hello.
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 Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, you're breaking up.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
There we go. Let me switch off the video. Okay. So they have to add up to 180. So do you see where that step comes from?
Yes.
This one. So we say
But
this plus
ma'am,
this.
like the whole thing.
Well, you can't say the whole
So like
thing.
this whole circle,
Explaining.
like the whole circle is up to 360 boss.
But the thing is, there's different ways to calculate this. So since we used angles on a straight line, you don't have to use angles around a point. Do you get it?
Oh yes.
So if you did use angles around a point, then that's fine. But we could have just used angles on a straight line and then did vertically opposite. I promise you, if you did angles around a point, you would have gotten the same answers. Okay.
Yes.
There we go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, guys, we're going on to the next one. This dude over here. I want to know what X, Y, and Z are. Okay. Okay, Balas, I'm going to give Tando a chance. Tando?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Tando.
Okay, ma'am. For Y, it's gonna be 49. The reason why is because it is vertical opposite to
There we
each other.
go.
And then the and then
So we know this one is 49.
yes, ma'am.
What else do we see? Must spend
We can
time with
see,
your sketch.
yes, we can see that there's a 90 degrees.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And
What have we here?
oh, we got a what's it called again? It's called a vertex, right?
No, a vertex is the point where an angle meets. We have a straight line there. Do you agree?
Oh, yes, ma'am, we do. Yes, ma'am.
So what
Meaning
can you do with
that
that straight line?
we can say 90 plus 49. 90 plus 49 equals 139.
Okay.
And then
What happens if you add those two to X? Look here. What angle do they make here, these three?
they make a straight line,
Which is how much? How many degrees?
180.
There we go. So this angle plus X plus this angle have to equal?
Have to equal, because 90 plus 49 is 139, meaning that 118 minus 139 is
180 minus
41.
139. Therefore, X is
41.
41. Nice. Do you want to do Z or want to give someone a chance?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Wait, you said X is what? I didn't write it down and then I forgot.
Oh, Z is 41.
41 degrees. Okay. I forgot my reason. adjacent angles on
Angles.
a straight line.
Line.
Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
And
do
then
Z.
for Z, it's gonna be if we add all the numbers together, meaning we add all the degrees together, 49 plus 90 plus 41 plus 49. Oh wait, no, made a mistake. It's 360.
It's
360.
249. So it's this
Yes.
49 plus this 49 plus 90 plus X, which is 41 plus Z. That's all of them. How much are they supposed to equal?
They're supposed to equal to 360.
There we go. And your reason?
My reason is that it's what's it called again? Angles around the point. Right? A
There we
point
go.
around something. This one.
Angles around a point, or some people like say revolution.
Revolution. Okay. ma'am.
Okay. And now what?
And now we can say 360 minus 49 minus 41 minus 90 and minus 49
Okay,
equals
therefore, Z is
our
how
Z is 131.
131 degrees. Thank you very, very much. And he has so nicely concluded my lesson for me.